My name is Muskan Parveen from ZP Urdu Primary School, Langhapur.
Hello, I am Ubesha from ZP Urdu Primary School, Langhapur. Action words. Listen and repeat the words after me. They are all action words. Blow, break, buy, call, catch, clean, climb, close, cook, count, cut, drop, read, dry, eat, fill, find, finish, fold, get, give, grow, help, hold, lift, lose, make, meet, move, open, paint, pill, pick, pull, push, put, read, ride, rub, sell, shake,